ask to make sure, say, Amisha talk about.
One girl a box you forget, tell a girl say this me, I say one man to me make it go.
Rush on, them say me fi easy and stay true to one queen, but wait.
That me defend over the years and those rebel tall body way having 9 pants.
Hey, you don't have to talk.
Welcome to the social media countdown.
Run and funny magic school bus.
You know this is my favorite song on the radio? Well, right now. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so let's go wait on this. Mama going top the. Alright, stop. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another Top 10 Social Media Countdown, the second social media countdown of 2024. I hope you have been having an amazing week. Life agree with you know. We hope you not stretch out the whole I want to pay from last year and are struggling right now. Because remember, I know, you have to just take care of certain things. But anyhow, we have a bag of topics to get into. We are talking about Jada Kingdom. We are talking about Queen Africa. But you know what? Let's get into the countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Shelly Karaoke. So the epitome of class and grace on the track, Shelly and Fraser Price, showed off that she's not just a big bad 100-meter sprinter, but she is also the queen of karaoke. And this was evident when she and her husband did a rendition of what you call it, the Fugees. Yeah, the Fugees' popular song. Take a look.
One time, two times. Yeah.
Killing me softly. One time. No, this is what you call like a Beyonce Jay-Z type of settings. I'm definitely loving this Shelly and Fraser. But you know, Shelly is really a trending girl. You know, she's a trending girl on track and field. And you know, when I saw her team up with, was it Essence Magazine, I was just very like stunned because it really shows that all of these achievements that Shelly-Ann has been getting lately, she shouldn't get it long time. Wanna see the pictures them how it look good? Pre them right now. Boy, Shelly-Ann, you look good. Good. This is what I want to see. I want to see Shelly-Ann Fraser Price get invited to the Oscars, to the Grammys, BET Awards, all of these things, because she is a living legend. But let me know what you thought about Shelly-Ann and her karaoke abilities down in the comments. Number 9, Patrice shares. So soca princess Patrice, recently we saw what was happening. You know, she lost her fiance. He goes by the name of Ricardo Drew, and definitely sad and tragic news. And so she's been taking some time off to really just, you know, deal with her emotions, deal with the anxiety. And now she recently appeared to do her first performance since his passing. And this is what she had to share. Take a look.
I'm an advocate for mental health. You see, a mental state, it is most important. Don't make anybody or anything deter you from what you want to do in this lifetime. Because God has a way of turning around shit and making it into your favor. You guys don't know me, but you know me. I'm a person. Whatever I want to do in this lifetime, I go hard for it. I go hard. And once something is not for you, God is taking away totally. Sometimes we question things in life. We question and hurt. But God knows best. And I believe that God has something greater for me. You see my heart? It's sincere. And you guys see right through me. I love you guys. I thank you for supporting me. Because Jah knows I was suffering in silence. Suffering. I'm not going to talk no more. I'm not going to stay silent. So nobody. I want everybody to put their hands in here right now. Somebody say, because you know that I need it. Put your hands. I want you to stretch your hands. Not even go. Put your hands. Hit your power. Put your hands to the feet.
Boy, Patrice, just thank you so much for your strength. Me can't imagine what you were experiencing all these weeks. It just, why? To see you go up there and do what, your comfort place and to just face your audience and to just talk about, how you are feeling and reveal that you were facing anxiety definitely has to be commended. So whenever we see Patrice out and about performing, just to give her all the love because she needs the energy and the strength right now. Number 8, Prime Minister kids grown. All right, burritos know something. If I really want to talk about this, because I know the trappings when it come on to discussing certain things. But because it was dominating, a lot of the conversation online, let me just go and talk about it. So the Prime Minister, he has 2 sons, right, that he shares with his lovely wife, Juliet Holness. 2 kids, right? Matthew and Adam. Now, Matthew, the younger one, he is 18 years old and Adam is 20. And so, we don't really see them very often, but they did make a grand appearance at the recent, what you call this now, the fireworks that was held at the waterfront downtown. The little excitement they popped up and to, show the people them what they're looking like now. But before me jump into that, me say, you know what? I think I should show like what they looked like over the course of the year since we met them, okay? So just take a look at that right now. Producers, why want to put in the spooky music right there? Why want to put in like Adam's Family type of music right there? On a shady, I try to say something, but you know what? People did not talk about them looks. I just think them look like rock stars. Like, them just have a little, them have got through a different season, a different phase. Can you imagine being the Prime Minister's children and I try to find your own personality? Like, I don't want to do nothing with politics. I just want to do everything. Honestly, I'd probably tattoo from head to toe. I'd probably be doing something that is so far off from the structure that my parents have put me in. So allow them to be them. I'm sure 5 years from now, they'll be doing something different and looking very much different. So let me know what you thought of this series of pictures of the Prime Minister's children. Sound off below. Number 7, community ravers. Now, burritos, I don't even think somebody needs to jump into this now, but every community has somebody who carries on like this when they hear music. Take a look. No, the brother better than everybody who was there. Like, no, you see the fact that when you can go out and you can just enjoy music and dance with yourself and do business about nobody around you, that is the energy that I need in 2024, whether or not you are nailing the moves. By the way, Barry doesn't let me know what you thought of this brother and his dancing. So down below. Number 6, Queen Africa and Tony Rebel. No, burritos, this is a topic if you not follow social media, you know that Queen Africa has made several statements saying that the relationship with Tony Rebel, it wasn't the best, and that she was happy to be separated from him. All of them something there, right? And so I was just saying, okay, good for you, Queen Africa, angle your business and do what you need to go and do. But when I found out that she will be at next this year's staging of Rebel Salute, pan the line up, me I'm like, no, what a wagwan. Maybe them kind of link under the quiet nowadays. I'm try to rekindle the love. And so when I saw this video, I was just like, oh, but better me tell about it. Listen, take a listen. Woo.
That me defend over the years and those rebel tall body way having 9 pants.
Hey, you don't have to talk that.
You have to talk. IG, I'm back. And it's all good. So all I know, I'll make somebody hold the phone. Because Tony Rebel, me still see him as a general in my eyes. Tony Pan with it. Yeah. Tony Pan, Lalibella first and make him say, when he said to me a while ago, and then we can come in together now and tell the world, say this year, a unity and peace in a family and community we are dealing with.
What I say is out of I and I cometh love. See this daughter here?
Boy nice. Then see your face.
Is love, bring her come in the earth. See? Her name is Tanzania, I love her more than myself. So here, and it's her Queen Africa daughter. So here what I say now. You say for this year, peace we say. When I mean peace out,
Listen, Queen Africa, if this is good for you right now, I wish you the best. Tony Rebel, if this is good for you right now, then I wish you the best. All I know is that I forgot that they're at Rebel Salute. Because I want to see all of this unfold on stage because I feel like Sugar address it. Because Queen Africa Sugar talk about things them, and I just look forward to just seeing how they will, be relating to each other at the event and on stage. So I will definitely have to go and be there. But Burritos, what do you make of Queen Africa saying this, about Tony Rebel right now? Sound off below. Number 5, Jada Kingdom versus Stefflon Don. Now, where do I begin with this story? Like, Jada Kingdom just can't stay out of the media, out of the news. And Stefflon Don, she have a resurgence right now in terms of the little gossipy type of thing. And so I'm sure she's enjoying every bit of it at the moment. So, I want to know that, Jada Kingdom recently put out a song on Russian's Dutty Money Rhythm. And so that has been, generating its own buzz. But when Stefflon Don decided to jump into the chat and figure drop their very own, this is what caused the stir. Take a listen to what Stefflon Don was saying.
Put the body in a trance, you a wine, you a jiggle, 2 leg in the ear, 2 one pan in it. You know in a dance hall, I run through a bag of man, 1 man in a your middle. Top girl never sell pussy yet. Never fuck a man, fickle and panache. You never fuck my man, dirty girl with the left. L Twinkie say a this me, I said 1 man to me, make come like you forgot them.
Stefflon, talk up some things, I am listening to Stefflon talk about which girl this seller sitting for money, about she will box a girl and all kind of little something there. That was throwing shades on Jada Kingdom. Me not for ask. I know that was throwing shades on Jada Kingdom. If you don't know the backstory, Jada Kingdom some time ago was rumored to be dating Burna Boy, who is Stefflon Don's ex. Burna Boy go do one song and go mention say him feel say Jada Kingdom have the best zoom in the entire Jamaica, the whole entire world. And so, a couple weeks ago, I saw where Stefflon and Burna Boy must give her 1 present for her birthday. So me like, are the two back together? And that is why she throw word on Jada Kingdom. I don't know, but Jada Kingdom never like one bit of what, Stefflon might be saying. She never liked the throw word thing. So Jada got on her good, clean internet and decided to address the situation. This is what she said.
Everybody, don't blow this thing out of proportion in a track. Me just ask to make sure, say, me she talk about, and if it's me she talk about, it's weird because it's behind a man who never even did a claim. We were having fun. This nigga's for everybody. It's weird. Last year she passed her remarks. I said nothing. I leave it alone. So when I listen to no fans or nothing, said nothing, I leave it alone. So this year, everybody upon the Dirty Money River vibe, cool, fine. Everybody has sent me the song, I listen it. The part of the song, when I listen to the wrong part of the song, me just want to know who I gonna get the box. Cause everything has a fax. Yeah, right, true. Yeah. Come my pussy blessed, right, true. I don't give a fuck. Me just want to know who I gonna get the box. And that part of that me I ask about. So and that part that me I ask about. And another first me I tag somebody. If you don't know me, you don't know. Another first me I tag somebody. So all of this, oh shit tag, another first. I know so one of those surprise.
Why, right there and then, like Jada, the way Jada always open and ready for the war. Me have to say Jada Kingdom, like, he used to parry some boxers, like, he was an heavyweight champ, like, oh well, she is Boomer Heavy, so that definitely tracks. It definitely does make sense. But with all the speculation and the rumors as to whether or not Stefflon might have actually been shading Jada Kingdom, Stefflon had time today and decided to make it known that she was indeed shading Jada. And so she made this post on social media and said, if the cap fit, then go right ahead and wear it. Go and wear it. Jada, remember, say Stefflon sings 16 shots. Nobody can tell her about her mother because it will get her cross, angry, and miserable. So I am just enjoying all of this right now in about, let me know from Berrydoes. If it were to come down to an actual battle, like the two of them going at the ring, Ray and Nephew contender style, who do you believe would come out to be the champion, the victor? Is it Jada Kingdom Muma Heavy or 16 shots Stefflon done? Let me know. Okay? Number 4, Bobby talks. Boy, oh boy, Bobby. This brother is just like, he's a menace on social media, but in an absolute good way. The way he's able to just like talk from like a galley's perspective, we're just fully bad and don't really business, is like, I don't think nobody else in a theme lane right now. And so he recently put out a video talking about boy maths, and he explained it fully down to the T. Take a listen.
Boy Mats, why man have enough gal and gal in a bungle? Go see what Mats has said. If you have no side gal and you only have one good gal, that is still one love at the end of the day. But if you have 10 side gal and you love 9 of them, that is still one love at the end of the day. So either way, I see him one love. So you might as well just fucking 9 other gal if nothing at all. Moving on. Woman want to know why man focus on the wrong thing in an argument. They say, hey boy, me you say you not fuck Keisha and I back a Tony blue car. First of all, liar girl, Tony car green. And that man go address first of the sentence. Why? Because of the principles of bombers. You have to address that the brackets first. Is the me I say, which is Tony car color. Liar girl, you skip that and start with that. So you can never get this answer, which is the right answer. Go back to school. Boom. Why a man go fuck a girl will look uglier than fame real girl? Alright, pay attention to the number line. Some of the girl look good, but I only think good, but everything else negative. So yes, you might be at 8, but you're at 8 the way. Everything negative, boy. Isn't it? I say your attitude negative, your mindset negative, your bank account negative. So yes, this girl is a 1, but it's a positive 1. So at the end of the day, she technically still more than you. Moving on.
You don't need to hear anymore. If you don't want to go and check it out, go and go follow him on social media so you can't hear the rest of it. But that is Bobby, and it's just creative genius when it comes on to doing. Anytime I see him drop for the whiteboard, just know say at some trouble he is up to. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments below.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
All right, so first of all, the big up segment. Well, the only thing on the big up segment, I have to go and big up Steph Guy on the launch.
Hi, everybody.
On the launch of your podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm launching my podcast this Sunday, January 14 at 5 p.m. You can watch it on YouTube. It's called Living Millennially with Steph Kai. Thank you so much for the support in the last video, The List. But this podcast is just talking about living life as a millennial, sharing the experience and what it is like, as a Jamaican who has traveled, and just like sharing experiences and just having a great time. So you can follow me on social media at StephKai8. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steph Kai, STEFKAI. And of course, on the regular podcasting platforms, Google, Spotify, and Apple. And of course, the big bad producer himself is Dutty Berry. And I'm so grateful to him for believing in the future of Jamaican creatives. Big up yourself.
Yeah, boy, I never needed right here. I just send more voice note because I was trying to ask you all of those questions, but you just did that in one entire take. But yeah, I'm doing other stuff, trying to partner with creatives who I think that are very talented, and so yeah. I do think you're good, and so I am producing this podcast, and it's also I'm jumping into that space of being a lot more producer work, go behind the scenes, and so I'm starting off that with your podcast, and so please tune in. It is Sundays when?
Sundays at 5 p.m. starting January 14.
Yeah.
And if you can't bother listen, you can watch on YouTube Steph Kai and of course the regular podcasting platforms.
Yeah, no, before you go, who are some of the guests that you have so far this season?
My mother and Nikisha Barnes. We had such a good conversation. So look out for that because she's just a gem. Yeah.
All right, that is it. Take care. Bye. Number 3, Beenie proposal. Berry doesn't know. Beenie Man is definitely the girls' them sugar, and he made it quite evident when he this video popped up on social media showing off his proposal to his what do they call it? To his woman of 23 years, Camille. Look at the proposal. Take a view right now. Look. Why, Beenie Man, I am happy for you. Beenie Man look like somebody, it is like our dancer J-Lo. This brother just keeps popping up a new relationship. Him just constantly in love. Him just like the idea of being in love, and him just, I just saw him go on. As one gone, and next one man. Big up Vibes Cartel anyway, yeah, there. But that seems to be the matter when it comes down to relationship for the king, Beenie Man. So big up Camille, if you can sit down there and be friends with this man for 20 odd years, this is love, because you would have seen him, the ups and the downs, the true, the angels, where them go to the left, to the right, all of them look at something there, the Crystal Tomlinson, and you sat and you waited for your turn. But I know who is the inspiration, Camille. I know who is the inspiration. What the woman name with it, Diana. Diana side matey. What's your name? Well, she name Camille too? She name Camilla? Lord of his mercy. You see it right there? Camille and Camilla. Something is in the name. Something in the name right there. So them are the veteran, long-standing woman in waiting type of side chick, matey type of settings. Like them believe in love. Them are the type of people who believe in that I will walk. I will catch a grenade for you. I will cross the ocean for you. My love is your love. I'd rather have good times with you than bad times with someone else. That's the type of love them with the Camille them have. So the Camille's who are watching the live right now, watching the video, just know say, uno have the strong type of love, man. Uno love have solid foundation. Big up on yourself. So uno might not have a man right now, the Camille's and the Camillas of life. Uno might not have a man right now. But as the song said by the strong songwriter, you may not know how, you may not know when, but he will marry you somehow, sometime whenever I decide. All right. So, Beenie Man, he was on the Fix recently, and well, before the proposal, and he was asked about Camilla, and he decided to give some information, about him dating life. Take a listen.
I've known man for over 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah. So
she's been proud with you throughout all your relationships.
No, man, she have her own relationship.
I remind her. You see her head shaking. I remind her.
I mean, she knew you throughout your relationship.
I knew her for 22 years because when I knew her, I want to have a relationship with her. But at the time,
Well, like Steve Harvey and his wife.
Yeah, I move and I got you and I got you and I got you and I got you. So I got you and I got you. Me see her, me I say, our time, you know. And she didn't have no relationship because she and her husband part. So that's okay, this is the right thing. And this is the right time.
Divine time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some names are real.
Yeah.
So do you feel like this is it though for you? Like
This is that for who?
this is your last relationship?
Oh, well, me don't know. It's up to she.
So, Beenie Man, you're not really sure if he will continue married again, but I think Beenie Man is just somebody who will always be finding love. He is the girls' them sugar. That is what he is called himself, and so he's living up to that title. So, Burritos, let me know, are you here for this pending marriage to Camille? Are you, happy for Beenie Man? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, Nigy Boy, new song, Burritos. No, this is the story that one of the feel-good stories on the countdown that just made me feel good for, talk about some things. Because I don't really cast. This is a positive news. So I don't know if you've seen this young man on social media. He goes by the name of Nigy Boy. That people consider like the blind Dexter Daps. That's what people out the road just kind of refer to him as. Because he has, he's very lyrical. And he has a melodic sound, something that is definitely missing from dancehall these days. And so when Russian recently put out the Dutty Money Rhythm, he decided to put his hat in the ring and to say, yeah man, we want up on the rhythm. And this is how he went about it and put out this on social media and just say, Russian, see me here. Take a listen.
Russian, them say me fi easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and David are ladies by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy? Tell me why, oh why, oh why? Why me for have one girl when Continental girl takes it?
So, yeah, man, big up Nigy Boy. Like, that is the video where he put out, and it got Russians' attention. And so many people on social media were just like, yeah, we know Russian, you have all of the other top artists, them, you have the Nigeria, you have the, who the pan rhythm, you have the Valiant, them, you have all of these artists, but give this youth a blind. And it looked like, say, Russian listened and decided to put this youth on the Dutty Money Rhythm, and not only that, give him a music video, big music video, where he's there, getting the star treatment, and I am just so happy to see it. So if you haven't seen it yet, this is a piece of what the video look like. Nigy Boy Continental pre.
Russian, them say me fi easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and David had like this by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy? Tell me why, oh why, oh why? Why me fi off one girl and be dead? Girl, if you want me, here I am, then you can have me. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Say you like that chocolate, ooh, I'm free of.
That man, the song Shell. Definitely, I think is probably like one of the top 3 songs them on the Dutty Money Rhythm, because it's different. Like, if they talk about some little Ray sitting there, like the way him say it just boy, like this was like, it's refreshing to just see an artist stand out like this on the rhythm, especially a new artist. But what me like about it is the theme of the song, because this is one of the central themes of dancehall. When you talk about dancehall music, you just, one of the features is you have a song where you talk about that you're a gallus. So it's like when Beenie Man is sing, man, fi have enough gal and gal in a bungle. That is what Nigy Boy did not do. But what he did was pure to one of the other themes of dancehall, where you don't just talk about you're a gallus, you talk about the fact that you're a worldwide gallus and all of the different ethnicities, the race and the categories of gal that you can acquire. So you see, like when Cartel did sing, where he sang him again, different type of girl from all over the world. Want to be the teacher, spend anything teacher want. Teacher get, I know that one of the artists name Movado. Give me my again. Give me another Jamaican again, girl. Give me can't put it right here. So I song again, do we? Oh yeah, give me the Caribbean girl. Girl, yeah, the song from Movado. And then if you want to carry down to the specificity of like the down here, so you can bring it into the song there from back in the day. Black Punani, Chinese Punani, Indian Punani. I'm such a mess. But Burritos only hear feet every week when I'm gone off on a tangent. But let me know, Burritos, is Nigy Boy's Continental one of your top 3 songs on the Russian Dutty Money Rhythm. Sound of below. And number 1 goes to Miss Kitty gender reveal. Woo! 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 Miss Kitty. Oh Lord, Miss Kitty had her gender reveal a few days ago, and it ignited quite a storm on social media. So she put out the news in less than 48 hours. And can you believe that when she started the live, over 11,000 people stayed there and to watch this grand entrance, this grand announcement, and wanted to celebrate Miss Kitty having her first child with husband Ian Wilkinson. So let me just control to like all them marching at the event. So yeah, look on the Agnes. Take a look, man. Yeah, the Wilkinson. Kitty, I know some money spent on this grand entrance, but money don't shop, because if the brother can buy you, your dream car just like that, our right situation you put yourself in. And so, can I just talk about the fact, say, Miss Kitty is seems like she a rebrand and I go into her influencer bag and I show more of her personal life, something that she's been very, cautious and not really wanting to involve much of the public, in on. And so I'm just kind of here to see where Miss Kitty is, moving all of this. What is she going to do next? Many people are feeling that, she took over CVM now and are asking for her to have her own reality show. And so I don't know, maybe this could be the start of something where she might be wanting to do. But my highlight of this is definitely when they actually revealed that she was going to have a baby girl. Oh my God, just look, man. Tears. Big up TOK.
All right. Rock out the tree in a Swahili, all right? Remember, point it up in the air, point it up in the air, point it up in the air. All right? This is the real count now to 3 in a German. Listen good. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That's it. Yes. Oh my God. That's it. Team girl.
Honestly, I'm so happy for Miss Kitty. To see Miss Kitty sit down and just like ball like that, man, you just know, say it's such a joy. And the fact that she wanted a girl. Can you know Miss Kitty go sit down and told them go back and forth and go through the thesaurus, day to day, like the pitney go talk from the pitney like all 2 weeks. Me not ask. The pitney will be talking by the pitney 2 weeks. I'm better to them first word, now I have just 2 syllables. The first word now have like 2 syllables. The pitney first word might be zygophiliaceous, just like that, for no reason at all. And so you know, we just love this for Miss Kitty, and it's such a joyous moment and occasion. And the fact that, you know, this moment actually showed me that she and her husband have matching energies, and he revealed that he also used to like the MC stuff and dance, and Miss Kitty is reminding him and bringing out that side a lot more. And so I'm definitely here for this pairing, and I wish them the very best. Congratulations, Kitty. Me just want to know what going to be the pitney name. So Berrydos, we know on a smart and on a very witty and creative, you know. Miss Kitty says she want a name with meaning. So, me think we the Berrydos them can find a name for Miss Kitty. Data. We're not going to use Punchy. No Punchy. Miss Kitty says she want a name with meaning. So I am thinking something. What about Profound? Profound Wilkinson. When you think about that, it's different. Profound Wilkinson. Hey, Profound, how you doing? You don't feel like it could have been and I give me a thumbs up? But you know, if me not find it, we can find it. Leave a comment down below. I'm going to pin the comment right there and see if we can find the official name for Miss Kitty from the Berrydo gang. Well, anyway, Berrydos, we've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown down in the comments. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like the video, all of these things. Subscribe, because we're still heading to the 300,000 subscriber mark. And once you have done so, follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter/X, TikTok, Snapchats, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown or for hosting, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, so take care until next time. Bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.